we got today. Welcome back, wooclan. Guess what we got today? We got ourselves, literally, a 458 Speciale Aperta. Now, I'm vlogging. It's cold. I'm cold. Melina's cold because she's filming, so thank you, love. Let's go ahead and hit the road, rip up the streets a little bit, and talk about what we have in store for this 458 Speciale Aperta. Come on.
Common sense. Yeah.
Yummy! Alright, wooclan. But yes, we've done it! We've become a miniature Parker Narenstein. And we have bought a 488, oh my god, not a pista. We bought a 458 Speciale Aperta. This is exciting stuff. It was bought for value reasons, and also, we bought the cheapest one in the country. And it's really not because of miles. Holy crap, the miles are low on this thing. I thought they were in the thousands. They're in the hundreds. I was wrong. Holy crap. This thing is fast, wouldn't you say, Mel? Woo! Anyway, wooclan, the plans for this car are absolutely nothing. It's gonna sit and we're gonna drive it every now and then, and we're gonna enjoy it because it's a car made to enjoy. I hate red lights. Did I mention that already? Woo! Yeah, see, there's nothing you can really do when it just spins. You know why? Because there's so much power in this thing. It's unreal. Oh my god, I love this car. And that's why I love Ferraris. And as you know, we just released another video about another Ferrari that we just picked up. And I'm so excited about that car because we can actually really drive that car. This car, we can't really drive that much, obviously, because if anybody knows, the 458 Speciale Aperta is an extremely collectible car right now, and their values are just skyrocketing. I had to engage bumpy road mode there for a second. Oh my god. Thank you, Ferrari, for being able to make a stiff suspension that at a press of a button gets softer. Kind of the only company in the world that really does that, if you think about it. Everybody else makes soft suspensions that get harder. Oh yeah, this sounds good. Also, this car loves to get its tail out. It's unreal. It's just whoop, just a little bit of whoop. Like I said, a little bit of whoop. It pops out every now and then. Ooh, we have to drop the top and blast the heat. wooclan, ladies and gentlemen, and wooclan, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this release, this announcement of the 458 Speciale Aperta on the channel. This car is insane. I am so excited that it's on the channel, and I cannot wait to do more videos with this, guys. Just, my mind is blown. The sheer attitude and raw performance this car has and just displays with ease. It just rolls off the tongue for it, if it had a tongue. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like always, please subscribe. Please smash that like button. I love each and every one of you. See you guys in the next vlog, release, who knows? Catch y'all later.